Samaohe is the beginning. He is the first air sage, or the first air Kalanaka, or the first air archetype. Samaohe is an ancient greeting, which means we are one in the universe of love, this universe of love. Like if everything in the universe is love, we are one within it. All is one. So Samaohe, the meaning of Samaohe is unity and interconnectedness. All things in the universe are one. There's something that connects and binds all things as one thing.